And as you can see, this question library pop-up appears. So the question library is a set of default questions or global questions, if you will, that HST offers to you to use just as quick actions. Really, it's just a way for you to select certain questions, an easy and quick way to customize your form. You have a list of all these questions that you can filter through. If you're curious if there's a default question already available, you can type in the search bar and it will search if that exists. But ultimately, you have your whole list here that you can select, and it will show under selected questions. And what you've done here by selecting this is that once you hit the add questions, you're going to say, I want to add that question to my form. And of course, once you add it to your form, you can customize it to your liking, but this just gives you a really good start and makes it quick and easy for you to create your form and customize it. If you don't want to add that question, you can always deselect it and it will take it away out of your selected questions here. So as you add custom questions or personalized questions to your form, they will show under this question library as well. I'm going to go ahead. So one thing I'd also like to note here about the form editor tool is that once you select a question type, it will show that over on the right hand side here. So it gives you a sort of preview. So if I wanted to ask, I'm actually going to go to single select and ask, do you have high blood pressure? As you can see, as I'm typing over here, it's showing as I'm typing over here as well to give you that preview. And you can see this is exactly what it would look like to the patient as well. So if I wanted to display it vertically, it's going to show it vertically as well. So it gives you the option to see what that would look like. And you can choose the best option that's best for your center. Another item that you can do with creating your pre-assessment form is organizing the questions in a format that you would like your patients to answer those questions in. To do that, you would select on the bottom left-hand side is reorder questions. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And now here it's showing you that you are now in the reorder mode. So it shows you exactly what level or where you are with creating your pre-assessment form so that you know exactly what to do here. So here in this reorder mode is when you're going to want to organize the order of the questions and how they appear on the form. In order to reorder them, you would just simply drag and drop them in the placements that you wish that to appear. Very quick and easy. And you can do that. You can create all your questions, set all the customizations that you want to those question types. And then the final piece of creating your form is you can just reorder them in the order that you want them to appear to the patient. And then once you're done ordering them, all you'd have to do is select Done Reordering. And then you have created your form. Very easy. So finally, when you're creating your pre-assessment form, you'll obviously want to click the Save Form button to save those changes. If you're just playing around, of course, you can always just click Cancel and it won't save that form at all. And then, of course, at the top, you have an X button as well to exit out, and the changes will not be saved. I'm just going to go ahead and click X. So now you've created your pre-assessment form. And once you've created that, you click that Save Form button. It would show in the table here below. And of course, you would be able to see the name of that form you've created. You'd be able to see the number of questions that you've added to that form. And then, of course, you would see the organization, and you would have the same actions available to you. You could preview it. You can edit it again. You can edit the survey at any point in time. There's no restrictions to that. And then, of course, if you didn't want that survey, you could always delete it again. So that is creating the form as I've shown. It's very customizable. You have a lot of question types available to you, and you can do that at your own discretion at any point in time.